so let's go drawing. So I got this from NYX. Let's go. That's the shadows. Okay, so this is what I draw. There you go, but it's so ugly. Just gonna put on the lines right here. So I hate it. Draw. Perfect. Just gonna put some just like something. And bye. So today I'm just gonna post this on YouTube because everyone just mad at me.
Because I want to be a cat, you can meow. If you're a tiger, you can roar. Roar? Yeah, meow but bigger. Why do you... Bakit gusto mo meow? I want to meow so that I can contribute to the world. When you meow kasi, it means you predicate. Let's go, ito pa dito.
Okay, wait. Okay, so I do the shadow on the I don't know. I just do it. I don't know.
Tapos ano, magiging friends tayo. Lagi tayong mag-usap mula umaga hanggang madaling araw. Tapos magiging close tayo. Sa sobrang close natin, mahuhulog na tayo sa isa't isa. Tapos ano, iligawan mo ako. Tapos sasagutin naman kita. Tapos tanuhin natin yung mga pangarap natin sa isa't isa. Tapos ano, may nakikita ang iba. Iiwanan mo na ako. Tapos maghahamon lang sa'yo kasi mahal kita. Pero wala kang gagawin. Kahayaan mo lang ako umiiyak. Well, telling me to say, kaya wag na. Kaya isa lang sa hay mo. By the way,
Wait, I'm just gonna get something. Okay, so I just delete it because I don't like to like that. It's right there. The freaking I don't know.
dear Benny, I just want to say,
It's kind of look ugly, you know.
I just want to say, I love you all so much. I wouldn't survive any day without you.